Oh, hello. I'm just circling an egg factory here today. Well, the abandoned part of it. Don't know why. Don't know for what reason. We're in Darkley with Eoghan.
Well,
And Leo is away on up there. I'll probably link their channels in the description, I'm not sure yet.
yes. You have to feature my channel in the description.
Right.
What? Left.
Leo, you've been featured in a video. Yeah, so we're just gonna talk about it a bit. Eoghan will be our guide because he's up around Darkley all the time. And yeah. And it's been raining too, so it'll be good track slipping about if it's slippy. So yeah. Not a lot happening. I'm not even gonna stop shooting because the last video destroyed my phone in terms of storage.
Well, please.
Something called Splice. Can't even get iMovie.
You should get a video joiner. Doesn't take up a lot of storage.
Nice.
Takes up like 500 megabytes.
Nice. Yeah, so this bit's not even abandoned.
So that is thing he is not abandoned.
Yeah.
This building's abandoned.
So we have a forest over there. Call that Rainies or Darkley Forest or whatever the hell you want to call it. Do not want to jump down there at all. Because you'd probably die. I should have filmed that.
It looks orange water as well.
Yeah. It looks like it's all rusty.
Rusty water.
Exactly. So yeah. This part of the building's abandoned here. But then there's a bit not abandoned there. There's a lorry parked. I think it's a GB reg, so not particularly a fan of that.
Yeah, today I swore there.
No. But like I don't even care anyway if you swore.
Alright, because it's your channel, family friendly.
It doesn't matter. So there is a river down there. What?
No, let's jump down here for a river.
Do it for the content. Right, we're gonna watch Eoghan jump down about 30 or 40 feet. I'd say that is.
Yeah, I mean, I'd say, I think there's someone down there.
Where'd Leo go?
Oh, down here. But that's how big.
Look how
the
big it
water
is.
was, like. Second biggest water in
I know.
the world.
Or so it was.
What was the vehicle for?
Beautiful little Volvo. Sorry. I don't know. I think it's like wheat storage or something. Yeah, so Leo, you're being featured in my video. Be happy.
Oh, saw it.
They're recording right now.
Yep.
Video man.
I am. So Leo is here for the crack.
Don't climb up this tree. Right.
Shout out to Jamie Donnelly because he's a good man, and you would have shat yourself.
Now, why are you video on Darkley? It's not that in.
I know. I need to do it for the content. So we have bins.
Wait.
Is that wheat?
Oats.
Oats, nice. Let's get a good wee look in there.
Very deep, but eat a bit. Nope.
Oh, we'll need a bit for the content.
It's not clean.
Oh, eat a bit for YouTube. Oh my god, I hate the smell of that. Is that a light in there? There's the lights on in there. Probably, yeah. Shout out to John O'Reilly, it was his birthday on Monday, and I couldn't make a video for whatever reason, so shout out to John O'Reilly. So we're just coming up around beside where the old water wheel is. Owen says it's the second biggest in the world. There's the sewers. And double how Leo's riding the bike about. Exactly. Right, so I think we might be moving on from that's gonna be the intro. Probably the night. What? What? For the viewer. Depends on the watch. Depends on the watch. I love how it's somebody's taking this. 17th of April. If it's not up tonight, you're free to shoot me. But yeah, we're moving on from the. Yeah. But it is half 8. 2 minutes to the. I am recording. So, hey, nothing about it. Yeah, you do realise we've only hit the 5-minute mark. Well, 6 minutes now. Everything. Actually, no, we're sitting on 7 minutes. Yeah, but just do it for no reason. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, that'd be a good idea. I'm doing that. I don't even know. Ew. In the next video, we'll go to heaven. Next video, I go to heaven and I return unharmed. Yeah. Owen's our tour guide basically. So yeah, we're coming up to another building now. So something actually exciting is going to happen. Oh, can we open it? Please open it. Oh yeah, I think there is. Yeah, we're gonna be coming back up here. Yeah, there was a dog, so that's why I'm saying Jamie Donnelly with a static sound. Shout out to Paddy Nugent for saying happy birthday to Sean early. Yes, I'm. Shout out to Paddy Nugent, he's a good lad. Yeah, I did get him a minute. Right, Owen, are we opening the door or not? Shout out to everybody who comes to them and after me. Dylan Moe, Tierny Mac. Yeah, shout out to Tierny Mac, he's in America. Yeah, North Carolina.
Sweet Caroline.
Owen, is it actually not opening? It would have been good content.
I'll fall off my bike and then you can say gone wrong, watch till the end. Video this. Watch till the end to find out. It's quality content. I don't even say watch till the end.
Watch to the end to find out what happened.
Right, yeah. Get that clickbait going right.
We're sitting on 9 minutes here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna time lapse the whole journey home.
So
from.
for watching. For now, anyway.
Thanks for watching. I'll record later.
Subscribe to our boy Niall if you're subscribed to me and you're not, or subscribe to him. Mega Leaf Blade on YouTube, or
It's not even like Mega Leaf Blade anymore. It's like Nat Hughes.
only OGs remember gaming on. Subscribe to the Fear and Despair.
The Fear and Despair, yeah. Subscribe to Dino Dash Gaming.
Who's that?
My other cousin.
Who?
Ryan.
Who's that?
You know Tony?
Tony who?
Dylan. My ma's brother. Bald boy. Fat bald boy. His son.
Has he been at any of your birthdays?
He was at Megan's birthday last year, I think it was. Actually, no, he wasn't. I think you might. I don't think you have, actually. Anyway, I'm going to pause the video here and we'll time-lapse the rest.
I'll see you later. Show 1, he deserves it. Bye bye.
Alright, Mr. Tour Guide.
What's up with the
So, I cut that a wee bit short there. Shout out to whoever else I missed. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm in my house now, so that's it. Bye.